Good day. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make this trouser splits in your video. This is a trendy style right now in 2025. Without wasting much time, I don't waste time at all. Let's get right into it. Let's go! Boom! So after cutting your trouser, you cut out everything first. The front of your trouser. I'm using this as an example, but you get your point. So now you want to get the middle of your foot. So you fold it like this. You fold this part. You make sure that it is equal. You saw how I folded it. You fold it like this. That is on your trouser that you've cut already. When you fold it like this, then you iron to get the middle. Let me quickly iron, then I'll be back. So as you can see, I've gotten the middle of the foot. So one thing you should take into consideration here is that you should be aware of your sewing allowance. That is how many you are folding inside. So let's say the total of how you want the split to be open is 5 inches. You are going to take it up about 7 inches, so that after folding it will give you 5 inches. Hope that is clear. If you don't understand, please drop into the comments and I'll get right to you as soon as I can. So we'll mark 7 inches, and remember, see your middle. Then we quickly you cut it. No fear, to come out nice. So it's almost getting ready. So the next thing we're going to do is to get the facing. That is what we're going to use to turn this thing inside so that it's smooth in the front. So this is the method that I use. So for clarity, I'm going to use another color of fabric so you can easily see what I'm doing. But in your case, please use the same fabric, or you use a matching fabric to turn it inside so that the color doesn't mix. So you're going to place it like this. This thing should behave itself. So hope you're seeing how I'm placing it. So you're going to place it like this. This is where it starts, this is where it ends. So in this upper part, you're going to leave about 2 inch or 2.5 inches up here, because you're going to use that. It's going to be very neat inside. So you take it like this, then you cut. So I've finished cutting it out. So the next thing now, you can do the same process. You fold it like this, iron the middle, get the middle, or you can also do it like this. You fold it like so, you place it here, but just make sure that it's in the middle, well placed in the middle. Can just give a small, very small notch so that you know the points in which you will stop. Then you just take it in from there. Remember, see the points here. Shouldn't pass there. So we've gotten the facing. So like I said, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and if you're enjoying the tutorial so far, please like and subscribe so that I'm able to make more and more engaging videos like this. So the next thing now you want to do is apply your stay so that it's going to come out looking sharp and all nice. But for this tutorial, I won't be using that. But for you, please apply soft paper gum stay so that it will come out nice. So I'm just going to quickly use my machine now and join this together, then show you the results. So when you take it to your machine, you're going to place this facing at the front of the fabric, because after sewing you're going to turn it inside. So let's quickly do that. So you're going to sew about 1/4 inch, not half inch, or about 1/4 inch. So you should have it looking like this. So next thing you're going to notch it. Just a slight notch. Then you fold it in. So you see why I said you should use paper stay, so that after you finish sewing like this, it's going to be easy. So as you can see, I've turned it inside. So the next thing now you're going to do now is to iron. You iron this part. This is the front. This is the front. Now this is inside. So the next thing now you want to do is that you're going to iron this so that it properly stays. So after ironing, this is what it looks like. We did it! So important thing to note is that, see the inside. So you can either weave the edges of this before turning it in, or you can fold it like this and use hemming gum to hold it down so that it's smooth, clean and crisp in the front, as you see below. So before doing this, before turning it to the edge, if you would like, you can use a pencil to draw it or mark it out before you actually turn it in, so that this line is as straight and not as wide as possible. So you have to make it as small and detailed as possible. So if you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe, and drop a comment on the kind of tutorial you want to see me doing next, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one and hope you learned something today.